Good morning, everyone. It's your boy DC, the author of the Black Carpenter's Guide and the author of the Black Contractor's Guide. Today I'm doing a follow-up video that I did about a week ago, and the title of it was Stop Trading Your Time for Paperwork, and how I use AI agents to run Collins Builder. So if you was with me on my last video, we discussed how to utilize agents in ChatGPT to help you streamline your bidding process. Today we're going to be diving in a little deeper. We are talking about projects in ChatGPT and how they can help you prepare for projects. So if you see right here, I have a list of projects that I already have. It's quite a list. I'll just go over some of them. Shirley Hardman, a deck build is what I'm working on today. I got my book business, and let me open up some more just so I can share with you. I got some projects of the past. Irene's deck, Sherry Morrow's deck, Runner Green Apartments was a large commercial project. Capstone project from Clark Construction. Text preparation. So all these are projects. And so what makes projects really useful is that it allows you to upload as much information as you can so ChatGPT can fully understand what you're trying to do and assist you, to make a long story short. It's like having a construction professional to bounce ideas off of, give you advice and give you insights. So this is what I do when I'm preparing for a bid. And so if you go to projects right here, you're going to see right here, and if you want to create a new one, you're just going to hit that plus sign where you say create a new project. So right now it says projects, keep chat files, custom instructions in one place, use them for ongoing work or just to keep things tidy. What I like about projects is you can add custom instructions on how you want it to respond to you, custom instructions on how you want things to be processed, and just general information like that. And also, projects allows you to go over everything and not skip details that you might miss if you didn't have something to bounce off of and work with. So right here on a project that I'm currently working with, I started the project by uploading some photos. Right here, it's a deck project right here. And I'll just click some of the photos so you can see what I uploaded. There you go. Okay. And just on this, it gave me a summary of the project and what it feels like the concerns are, what's the game plan and things like that. So it says major concerns. The steer stringers is adjusted. It is talking about the steer stringer. The steer stringer shows significant deterioration at the lower landing connection area. Multiple stringers appear heavily weathered. Dark stain and rot are visible where the stringers bear on the landing beam. Some sections appear to have lost material from long-term moisture exposure. Then it goes on to talk about the beam, the issues with that, the post supporting the landing, the deck surface structure, positive findings, main deck framing. The joists appear fairly straight, consistent spacing, no obvious sagging. So this is a wealth of information as a general contractor. It goes right to what I need to address. That way I can formulate my game plan on what I need to address, what's the most pressing issues. So having a dedicated project is going to allow you to do that. Now you can do this with just a ChatGPT agent, but what projects allows you to do is keep all your chats in one location. So when I come back later and I refer to this project again, it's going to remember all the details that we talked about. It's going to remember where the conversation ended. And so that is the brilliance of a project. And then what I love about projects as well is I can add a wealth of information so it can get a better understanding of the project. I can add photos and files. I can create images. It can do deep research. It can search the web. I can put it in agent mode, which basically it's a agent working by itself. With me giving it the final go ahead, I can create tasks. I can connect different apps like Google Calendar, Google Drive, things of that nature to help this project really be automated and be on steroids and accelerate. So if you haven't used ChatGPT Projects, I highly suggest that you jump in, get yourself familiar, maybe start with something small, kick the tires. But this is the way things are going. And us as minority contractors, we got to stay ahead of the curve. We don't want to get left behind. We need to utilize these tools that's out there right now so we can expand and grow our business and compete with the major players out there. So